Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. Got another skill toy review for you in the form of another knuckle roller. So as you guys may or may not know, Paracord knuckle rollers have become a pretty big part of this channel, and I've done several reviews of the Aroundsquare knuckle rollers. So I wanted to share this one with you today because it's pretty special, as I'm sure you were seen by the title. So this knuckle roller sticker came with the new Woods Knucklebones. So I just wanted to show that. It's a really cool sticker. And the new box is pretty cool too. Has that same design on it. So super awesome from Matt. And getting to the main attraction, this one came in just a regular box, but it's very special. So opening that up, you can see it is the limited edition Honeybone, Series 1, signed by the man himself, Matt. And it's dated. So here's the reveal, and there it is. So what we have here, let me get this stuff out of the way and get this guy out of the box. This is a 3D printed Knucklebone, printed from bronze infused stainless steel. And this is really something to behold. When I saw the video of it that Matt initially posted, I knew I had to have it. Now, immediately a lot of you are going to ask, about the price, and I probably hinted that in the title. This was a premium priced item. 3D printing heavy metals such as stainless steel, or in this case, bronze infused stainless steel, it's not a cheap process. So that's why the price on these was a little bit up there. And, it's definitely for those of us who are kind of more in deep into the hobby, and we're willing to pay that extra bit because we want a collector's item like this. So these were sold via pre-order only, and you had to go to Matt had a kind of secret store link for that. So not everyone saw them. If you want to, get in on future releases of different versions of these limited editions, you can go check out Matt's website and subscribe to his newsletter. But anyhow, about the Knucklebone itself. This one has been called the Honeybone, which is very fitting because it's got these grooves, as you can see. I'm going to put my hand behind there on either end. And it's very similar to that, that wooden thing that you dip into honey to add to your tea or whatever. So that already looks really cool, very striking itself. And the material, as I mentioned, bronze infused stainless steel, it's got a grain to it because it's been 3D printed. It almost looks like Damascus, which is pretty cool. And Damascus steel, I have an example here. It looks kind of like this. So just to compare it, see that middle, those grains in the middle there? It looks pretty cool. But anyhow, the weight on this guy is about 50 to 52 grams or so. So it's not as heavy as the stainless Knucklebone, but not as light as the titanium, so it's kind of in the middle. Because it's kind of hollowed out with these grooves here, and also if you look straight down the middle, you can see it's hollowed down the center. That has lightened the weight up a lot, so it's still super playable. It's not too heavy, and still lots of fun to fiddle with. As for the design itself, these grooves are really awesome because they really lend to the playability of it. It really adds a bit of grip to when you play. You can kind of do some tricks like that where you grip it in between your fingers. But super cool, and I just love the way this one came out. It does leave a slight metallic smell on your fingers. That's just, I'm guessing, because of the bronze. Not a huge deal, but just be wary of that. Now, there was another version released. I think it was called the Worm Bone. So it looked same shape, but it was kind of hollow, and it had lots of little holes all over it. I didn't get that one because it started to give me trypophobia when I started looking at it, and yeah, that kind of creeped me out. So I didn't end up getting that one. But I did get this Honeybone, and it turned out really nice. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. So, again, it's not an item for everyone because of its price, but just with any hobby, the more into it you get, the more, higher priced items there are of that, just with everything, cars, knives, anything, shoes, whatever you can think of. There's always lower priced items and higher end items. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a close-up look at this one, and yeah, I'm super happy with it. I love it. It's really something. You know, these were limited, and I don't think Matt will really be. I don't know if he's going to revisit and do another run of these honeybones, but they're super cool, and I'm glad I got one. All right, so just want to give you guys a close-up look of it, and yeah, you know, you can check out all the other Knucklebones that are for sale right now. Matt still has all the usual ones available. I'll put the link to the shop down below. And of course, again, if you're not into, you know, buying knuckle rollers, you can always make some from Paracord. Got plenty of tutorials on that on my channel, also linked in the video. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this look at the Aroundsquare limited edition Honeybone, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.